Another thing I wanted to ask you, Christina, is kind of tell us a little bit more about the standard requirements to apply for a conventional loan.
So to apply for a conventional loan, you need a 620 score. You need employment history for the last 2 years. That employment history can be put together with schooling as long as you were getting a bachelor's or a master's. So you can come straight out of school, have a job, and the 2 year history can be built with the schooling. So again, 2 year history between schooling and employment. Down payment,
Right, of course.
conventional, you can purchase with as little as 3% down,
Okay,
which is, it's great. Again, a 620 score, and that, well, assets, money to buy.
right.
Money.
So the traditional conventional loan program that people buy and use is the 5% down. But I'm not sure if you guys caught that. You can also buy with 3% down conventional.
Correct.
So if you're looking to buy with as little money down for your primary home, you can use the 3% option or the 5% option.
Correct.